So we just came to Clark's Beach. We actually have never fished from here. We've got our rods. We've got our rods, but we haven't got them just yet. Looks like it's low tide. You can see that there's a bar here or something. It's crazy. So this is a little wharfy thing that you can go up to. There's another little rocky area you could probably cast from as well, down there. This is alongside the wood platform. That is cool. That is cool as. There's some fat oysters there. No, not really fat. I take that back, but they look okay. Got a little chow. Some juicy ones there. As you can see, the water conditions are far from being good. Look, she's coming to the floaty platform. That's cool, eh? You can
that's a scaredy cat.
You can keep going out, just floats.
Look how much fish there'll be here.
Yeah, I was looking at that. Some fat ones.
What are we doing?
Nah, it's locked in. I'm just gonna quickly walk there first, eh? It should be covered by the wind. It's a nice camping spot. Tucked in here, but the waves come in. They'll get all your shit and take it away. Oh, I thought she was scared of something. She's picking something. Fish it, low tide, so this is quite interesting. You see, when it's low tide, this is what happens. I'd say either walk out by those rocks, or if you give it a few casts from here, you might definitely get a few fishies. For sure. Let's go get our rods and try that area in this area.
Water will come up faster.
Yeah, maybe not this, another one. Just a couple flicks. Yo, free line. That's a nice one too.
Why not pick it up?
I could keep it. Free line? Why not? These things cost money. These things are bloody expensive, so why not keep it? I'm gonna take the rods down, do a little solo until Nikki finishes the poo. She's gonna hate that, but let's go give it a couple of flicks and see what happens, eh? Slow on it. I think I did go to the bottom too quick and it got stuck on something, eh?
Yeah.
It's still stuck on something.
Yeah, it's that piece of wood or seaweed, I bet.
Yeah.
I want to see what we bring up. What we caught.
It's this now.
Oh, it came off?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it stuck on? It's got evidence. Nothing.
Looks a little bit bent, but I don't know.
No, it doesn't. I bet it was a piece of log.
Then we're at Kahawai Point. So we came to Kahawai Point. That's about a 30-minute drive from where we were. It's on our way, so why not? I think they got kahawais here because it's called Kahawai Point. Like all this water comes up to here.
This is a boat ramp.
Yeah.
This is nice to launch from.
Ramp, yeah.
If we wanted to go Manukau Harbour, this is such a good place.
It is.
Yeah. Look at this fish frame. kind of fish is this? Huh?
Trevally?
You think?
Let's see. Looks like a snapper.
You think?
Yeah, looks like a snapper.
Big snaps. Found some peepees. Got a few. Open it. Check these out. Daddy, how do I open these? Can you just...
Yeah, there's one in here somewhere as well.
Oh, look at that perfect crack. Wow, that looks delicious.
Fresh.
Freshest you can get it at sunset time.
Yum. That's cool, eh?
Yeah. What does it actually taste like?
It's like oysters.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Collected some oysters. Bow tied here. Pretty big ones. Look at this guy oystered up. Off the bottom.
Oystered up.
Hi, pretty babies.
Very rough. Found a sinker. 3 tackle day for me. So this is Ketahi. Keriotahi. Big ass beach. No fishing here today. We just got a feed, so I'm showing you guys a little bit around and what things look like. Bar crossing warning. There's mangroves. What spot is this? This is Tetoro. Tetoro Wharf. If we could call this a wharf. You can see the tide's going up now, so the water's calmed down. But as you guys can see, when it's low tide, the water be wild and bit of seaweed there, as you guys can see. All comes up all the way here. Damn, Sean. So we were literally just collecting some oysters on that side. That's where car was parked, and then you'll see early in the video. And we pretty much went all the way to Waiuku. We went around and now we're at Tetoro.
Living the life.
Super nicely, eh?
That one's a little bit wonky. Woo!
The first time trying Kina. We don't know how it's gonna go. There's some people love it, some people hate it. But yeah, first of 10. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's like a mix of oyster and like some slimy stuff, you know?
But I like it. Do you
Try
think
it.
it's something I like?
Yeah, I can try
Oh,
it.
I don't know.
Oh, that's perfect.
Like,
That's perfect.
do I just eat it?
Yeah. It's different, eh?
It's different, but it's good.
Try putting one on here.
Ooh.
That's the one.
Is that how you have it? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, good with bread. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's so yum. I like it with bread.
Yeah.
Mmm. Oh, how's it?
Mmm.
Do you like? It's good, right?
Yeah. The second thing on the menu are these big boy oysters.
Mmm. Mmm.
That's different.
Different. I like it.
Mm-hmm. And the third thing on the menu, main thing, is our fish fritters. That's what it looks like. A fish hash brown, kind of. Not bad. Anything?
Look, fish. Like so many good things.
I know, right? Fiber. Bloody delicious. Chop it up.